Well, guys, a buddy of mine gave me this cool scanner yesterday. It's a Uniden Bearcat BC-245XLT. Is one that has computer control. As you can see, a little plug here on the side. And apparently, from what I was reading online, or it's pretty much on titanium to get that plug now. Especially one that ran on serial as well, so like that, right? And I never had that plug, so it's me. I had to modify the scanner a little bit in order to incorporate another way of accessing the programming software in order to remotely access the scanner for programming and whatever. And I ended up doing was added a little cable, 7 wires. There's only 7 pins on the connector here that's actually used. It's not all 9 of them. It's only 7 that be used. I've already tested this. It works fine. It's just an ordinary plug. You can have an old circuit board. And on the other end, I made this the matching plug. But what I ended up doing was took an old serial plug, cut it down, made it short, and soldered the pin side or the circuit board side of the plug directly to the wires. I heat shrunk the wiring here, and I put hot glue up here to keep everything nice and solid. And to use this, all you do is line up the 2 plugs here, male and the female. Line them up. Just like so. Plug it in. And then, of course, you take your other serial cable and you connect 2 of these together. Your regular cable comes with a 9-pin male DB9 connector. This side's female. You just solder. You connect 2 of these guys together, and that's it. And put your power, connect the power to the scanner, just like that. Put the scanner in remote. Put her in manual first. Put her in remote. Hold down the remote button key, and you'll see a little blinking thing there. Just like that. And then it's a matter of running a program. The one I've using right now is actually a lot more user friendly, is Scan Control. You can use eScanner from Uniden, but I find the Scan Control program much better. Scan Control with data grabber. So I'll just see if I can't get all this to work. Okay. I'm using a little oh, there goes the scanner. But basically what you do, turn down the scanner. So the radio is already set up here. So you want to edit banks, click that, and this here is now what I got in the radio, in the scanner at the moment. So once you can add the frequencies, and you can put a channel tag on them. Now you don't see this on the screen. The data screen, these ones, you don't see those. Just frequencies, obviously, that the scanner can't display. She's not alphanumeric. But once you get everything programmed here you want, you just go over right here, press program, click it again, and she's programmed into the radio. You can click close, and then you can go control and monitor radio, which is very cool because you can literally control the scanner from this from right here. I can press scan. Right now she's in she's scan mode. I'll just put this down so you can see it actually doing stuff. You can see that or not, can you? Oh, can you see that screen? Let me just tip it a bit. There we go. So that's the scanner and scan. So I can hit manual, I can stop it. Hit scan again. The backlight, I can either turn it off, I can turn it on, or I can set it to auto. We'll just set it to on. I just like to see the screen. So you can lock out channels, put in trunking, service search. That's really pretty cool what this can do. Well, it's all controlled by that by just a regular DB9 serial cable. Nothing fancy about it. That's it. Of course, I'm going to tip over, you know. That's it right there. And the pin out. This is the actual pin out. The 9-pin connector on the radio, on the scanner. Pin 1 through 9. So that's the wiring I'm using here. So for the BC-245, the wires I got. And the color codes out to the RS-232 connector. And as you can see, pin 4 and pin 8 are not used on the BC-245XLT. They're not used, they're not required. So anyway, just thought I'd show you this little cool program and the modification I did for the 245. I'm curious now if there's any modifications for this 245. I already went through a bunch of there is a pile, there's a bunch of different keypad tricks you can do with this scanner. And what I'll do, I'll go through them all. And after I upload this video, I'll put the little keypad tricks in the description below, so you can try them on your 245. But just remember, a lot of these keypad tricks, they add factory preset frequencies in there. You can erase your radio, so make sure you have a profile of your radio saved on your computer first before you start playing with the keypad. Anyways, just thought I'd put this little video on the 245XLT. And one thing about it though, the internal speaker is hideous to listen to. I don't like the internal speaker. It sounds the pits. But you put a external speaker on this radio, it sounds perfect. But the internal speaker is just not good. Maybe the speaker is bad. Who knows? Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Train of 63. I'm out of here.